Hi kids, welcome to Drawing for Everyone.
Hickory dickory